knowledge at an educational institution. It is well said, a gift of knowledge can bring us to the top of most wonderful mountain. The gift of knowledge can bring us to the deepest of the ocean. Education is a great gift given by our parents and teachers. It is the key to success in life. To our distinguished guest of honor and speaker, Ms. Jassy Marie Valenzuela, our school administrator, Ma'am Josefina Magabilin, the Board of Trustees, beloved parents, dedicated teachers, headed by our hardworking school head, Ma'am Cristina Maygala, faculty members, schoolmates, my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful and pleasant day to all. Today is a day of celebration, reflection, and gratitude. As we gather to commemorate the culmination of our academic journey, it is a moment to cherish and savor. Each of us has traveled a unique path to arrive at this milestone, overcoming obstacles, seizing opportunities, and leaving an indelible mark on this institution. As we stand on the threshold of a new chapter, let us carry with us the values that have guided us thus far: integrity, perseverance, and commitment to excellence. Yet let us embrace this moment with confidence, knowing that we are equipped with the knowledge, skills, and resilience to navigate the challenges that lies ahead. Throughout our time here at Santa Fe Learning Center Incorporated, we have not only expanded our minds but also cultivated lifelong friendships, discovered our passions, and honed our talents. We have been shaped by the experiences we have shared and the lessons we have learned both inside and outside the classroom. As we embark on the next phase of our journey, let us carry with us the values that have guided us thus far: integrity, perseverance, and commitment to excellence. Let us be beacons of hope, agents of change, and champions of justice in a world that yearns for compassion and understanding. Let us remember that success is not measured solely by titles or accomplishments, but by the lives we touch and the difference we make in the lives of others. Let us strive not to only achieve our own dreams, but also uplift those around us and empower them to reach their fullest potential. Before I will end my speech, I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to all our teachers who passionately taught us the different academics and life values. Ma'am and sir, you are truly the candles that light our way. Thanks for being patient to us and for sharing your precious time and wisdom to us. Despite our hard-headedness, mostly, thank you for believing on our potentials. Your great thoughts will always be planted in our minds and heart. To our very active school head, Ma'am Cristina Maygala, thank you for your great leadership and for being the epitome of hard work and dedication. You, together with the teachers, have done a lot for the betterment of our school. To my fellow graduates, please stand up and clap our hands as a sign of gratitude to all our mentors, whom we will surely miss but will never be forgotten. This success will never be ours if without the support of our family. I personally would like to thank my mommy, daddy, and siblings for their love and support to me. Personally, I dedicate this achievement to you all and just would like to say that I love you. To all our dear parents, please stand up so that we may recognize your presence. I think they all deserve our loudest applause. To my medal donors, Tita Gigi Berozil and Tita Edita Agbanlo, thank you for your generous donation. Thank you for your commitment and kindness. Also, this journey would have never been completed if without our friends who continuously inspire us every day. To my classmates, Kian, Toby, CJ, Jewel, Tanya, and Chelsea, thank you for all the good memories, the sweet fights, the enjoyable group activities together, and the laughter and tears we shared together. I will really miss your company. We may not see each other often, but the thread of friendship that connects us all will bind us to the rest of our life. Lastly, I would like to thank our God who made everything perfect. Thank you for giving me these wonderful people. Thank you for letting us feel this great victory, and thank you for your unconditional love and mercy to us. Class of 2024, as we bid farewell and look towards the horizon, let us do so with gratitude in our heart, hope in our souls, and determination in our spirits. Congratulations to all of us, and may the future hold endless possibilities and boundless opportunities. Thank you, God bless, and bye-bye.